If you really want to make them think about you so that they can feel how you feel about them, then this is a meditation for you. This meditation will change your life. Thought combined with intense emotion can influence another person's unconscious, even at a distance. When you do it the right way, their body reacts even if they don't know why. In this meditation, I will guide you step by step through a powerful experience. I will show you how to synchronize your energy with theirs, how to activate an emotional image that enters their subconscious, and how to seal that connection with a gesture your body will remember. You can reuse this whenever you want to reconnect. And stay with me until the end because I will reveal the most common mistake that blocks this process in 90% of cases. If you want them to think of you and feel how you feel without chasing, everything starts now. Maybe you have already tried thinking about them intensely. You have visualized, meditated, repeated affirmation, but nothing happened. No messages, no signs, just silence. And then you ask yourself, am I doing something wrong? The truth is, most people do everything right except for this one thing: the emotional state they are in when they do it. That is the invisible block. It is not about what you do, it is about where you are doing it from which emotion, from which vibration. If you are desperately hoping for a response, your energy field doesn't transmit desire. It transmits absence. And what you transmit is what returns. It is like shouting into the void, I don't have it, I don't have it. And the void answers, you're right, and it sends back exactly what you are putting out. That is what makes every meditation useless if it is done with anxiety, doubt, or need. Your vibration says everything, even before your words, and the other person feels it even unconsciously. The meditation you are about to do is different. It's not based on lack. It is based on full presence. It doesn't ask for signs, it creates them. And today, you will discover how to activate all of this from your body. The collective unconscious is a deep level of the mind where we are all connected beyond space and time. When you think of someone intensely, you are not just imagining. You are sending a real signal, and their body can receive it even if they don't know where it came from. Modern science confirms it. Every emotion causes a biochemical change. The heart, the brain, and the nervous system emit measurable electromagnetic waves that interact with the environment. And when you think of someone with intense and focused emotion, that signal becomes stronger, sharper, and more penetrating. Your body is the key. It is not enough to think it. You have to live it. So when you feel in your body that they are thinking of you, your field changes, your vibration changes, and that creates an echo, a subtle resonance that another person can feel even if they don't know why. Like a thought arriving from nowhere, an image, a memory, a sudden emotion. You need coherence, thought, emotion, and body aligned. That is the biological, energetic, and psychological foundation of the meditation you are about to experience. Before you begin the actual meditation, you need to prepare your energy channel. Because if your field is agitated, confused, full of conflicting thoughts, the signal you send will be weak. First, find a quiet space where you can have a moment where you can be alone for a few minutes. You don't need complete silence, just a space where you can breathe and feel. Now sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Don't force it, just observe it. Don't try to block your thoughts. Let them flow like clouds passing by. Just stay present. Now bring your attention to your heart. Place one hand on the center of your chest. Breathe there. Imagine every breath flowing directly to your heart. This emotional center amplifies every intention. It is your natural amplifier. Every authentic desire begins here. Now choose a simple gesture to use at the key moment. Touching your chest, joining your hands, or gently brushing your forehead. This will be your physical anchor. Every time you use it, your body will remember the state you are about to activate. When thought, heart, and body are aligned, coherence is born. And from coherence comes the signal. Now you are truly ready to transmit. Now that your channel is open, it is time to activate the signal. No expectations, no rush, just you, your body, and your intention. Now imagine a simple everyday scene. They are sitting somewhere, maybe drinking coffee, working on their laptop, or driving. And suddenly, for no logical reason, an image of you appears in their mind. A detail, the sound of your voice, your smile, a phrase you once said, and without knowing why, they pause. Because you are there, not physically, but in their mind, in their energy. Now activate the physical gesture you choose. Touch your heart, join your hands, or brush your forehead. Do it with intention. Do it as if that gesture was the one switch for your signal. And as you do it, don't imagine. Feel. Feel your breath shifting inside of your body. Feel the warmth in your chest. Feel that vibration that says, yes, they are thinking of me now. Now repeat silently to yourself, I am in their thoughts. Not because I want it, but because I feel it. They feel my energy and they recognize it. I don't chase. I emit. I receive. The more your body believes it, the more your field shifts. And when your field changes, reality begins to reflect it. Now let go of the image. Slowly release the physical gesture and whisper inside, let my signal go where it is ready to be received. I am not looking for a response. I am open to receive it. Now slowly open your eyes. Breathe. Type, they feel me to affirm it. You have just activated an invisible but real communication, a language the heart understands even when the mind cannot explain it. You have sent a powerful signal, but now comes the most delicate part, letting it work. Because the risk is that without noticing, you might interfere with what you just created. That is why the first step after this meditation is simple but vital. Silence. Don't talk about it with anyone. Don't share it to gain approval. Don't analyze it to see if it works. Keep that moment inside as a sacred secret, like a seed just planted. You don't dig it up every hour to see if it's growing. Silence is a form of trust. It confirms that you don't need proof because you already feel. This signal has been sent. Now the energy is doing its work. You have activated a deep connection, not because they confirmed it, but because you felt it inside yourself, in your body. If this meditation sparks something inside of you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell notification. In the next one, I will guide you through another powerful meditation, even more transformative. Trust me, you do not want to miss it.